Hi everyone, so we're going to do the unboxing for the Dr. Jart mini kit. See you there. Alright, so I got the Dr. Jart mini must-haves, the experiment kit. And it's got this kind of interesting little cartoony thing on the front. Let's see if I can figure out how to open this. Bear with me here. I probably should have tried to open this beforehand. Oh, there, it's taped. There we go. Ugh. Okay. And we got the Sia pear, the tiger grass color correcting treatment. And this is going to be a moisturizer. And then we got the cardamom cream. It's also another moisturizer. Okay, we have the multi-action skin care plus makeup. It is a BB cream. So I'm not sure how dark it's going to be, but it's supposed to be light medium. So I guess we'll find out if that is my color or not. If not, I'll be using it like a bronzer. Alright, so we have the micro water. So I'm assuming that this is their version of the makeup remover micellar water or something. It's really hard to say, but let's see what the back of it says. Yeah, so it's like the one that you get from Garnier. It's that mineral water makeup remover stuff. Alright, inside the bottom of the box, we got the Vital Hydration Solution. It is a deep hydrating sheet mask. Oh, that's going to be fun. So it comes in this little container. And it's designed to deeply hydrate and replenish and protect the skin's own moisture. It's about a 10 to 20 minute mask you get to play with. Okay. And that's everything in the box. So that's pretty cool. So you get the mask, and then you get the little makeup remover water, and see, you get the Tiger Balm moisturizer. Yeah, the cardamom cream moisturizer, and the BB cream beauty balm as well. There's how they kind of came in the packaging. I didn't push all of them down, but there's all of those. So if you like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.
Yeah.